Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Appleways. In today's video, we are going to see how to fix still receiving calls on Do Not Disturb mode. Sometimes when you are in your Do Not Disturb mode, you still keep on getting calls and all, then this is the way that you fix it. So the first thing that you have to do is scroll through your control panel just like this. And in here you can see my Do Not Disturb mode is currently turned on and you have to long press on it. And after long pressing on it, here you can see currently Do Not Disturb mode is on. And in order to go to the settings of Do Not Disturb mode, you have to tap on the three dot bar that you can see right here. And after tapping on it, here you can see the option of settings and tap on it. And this will take you to the setting of Do Not Disturb mode. And in here, you have to tap on people right here. And after tapping on people, here you can see this person is currently on my allow notifications. All you have to do is simply just tap on the minus option that you can see right here. And the person is now gone. So the other thing that you can do is tap on allow repeated calls and turn this off. So if that person keeps on calling you in repeat, Do Not Disturb mode will allow that person to make you call. So if you don't want that, you have to tap on this option in order to disable it. Simply like this, you can see now the allow repeated calls are disabled, and that is it. In order to set it, you have to tap on the arrow option that you can see in the top left corner right here. And that is it. Now you won't be receiving any kind of calls while you are on your Do Not Disturb mode. Pretty easy and simple, right? I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.